friends, and welcome to Reiki with Albert. How you doing? Good? Good. Very good. Okay, so a little different here. Got my bench worked out here. This is a Reiki cluster of stones. It's like a healing altar. Very powerful. Okay. And we got some other stones, gemstones in here, in the magical pouch. So in this video, we're going to do healing love. Because love got to be healed as well. We have somebody that came to me and said that he's in a bad relationship and he tried to kick his girlfriend out. Okay, well, all that's negative right there. But, if you can't heal it, sounds like you want to save it. Or the girl doesn't want to leave. So, again, things like that. You see? We got to heal that. Or heal the hurt or the breakup. If there's a breakup. You see what I mean? Okay. This is lavender. Keeps the area neutralized. It's a sweet scent. You could burn sage, but we don't have to. You can just use the mist of lavender. So I want to take this time to say that sometimes in relationships things don't work out too well, and sometimes there's negativity. That's why you have to be very careful who you let in your life. Who you let in your life. The pain, the sorrow, the pain, the sorrow. Sometimes love goes away. You got to make sure that they are in love with you. If they're not in love with you, then there's no purpose to be with that person. I love you means what it says. I love you. I love you. It means they're romantically in love with you. If they tell you they love you, but they're not in love with you, that means they love you as a friend, a pet, or an object. That's not love. That's just possession or materialistic love. You don't want that. You have to have true love. People are truly in love with each other, and they will love you if they feel it. You can't force love on nobody. No magic is going to give you love. Because if you did magic on that type of relationship, it's going to run into problems, and you don't want to do that. So here we're going to heal you with love. Love. Healing you with love. Healing you with love forever and ever. Healing you with love. Healing you with love. Healing you with love. Love, I love you. I want to be with you. I want to be with you. I love you so much. I can't live without you. Hopelessly in love. Love struck. All of this is positive. I want to be with you. I need you. I love you. I want you. All that positive. You want to stay positive. I need you. I love you. I want to be with you. I don't want to live without you. I can't stop thinking about you. All is positive love. That's what love is all about. that type of love. That's real love. Everything else is not the same love you think it is. People get confused. Don't get confused. Don't get confused with different kinds of love. I love you, but I'm not in love with you. Think of what I just said. I love you, but I'm not in love with you. That is negative. They don't love you like you want them to love you romantically. There's no love there. That's just possession. They stay with you because they need a place to stay. They don't want to lose you, so they'll just say they love you, but they don't really mean it. That's another kind of love to deal with as well. You want to stay happy. You want to stay fresh. You want to be in love again. You want that love back again. You want to stay happy again. You want that love back in your life. You want that love back in your life. You want that. You want that. You want that love. You want that. You want that. You want that love. You want that love in your life. You want that love in your life. You want that pure love in your life. You want that pure love in your life. You want it, you want it, you want it, you want it, you want it back in your time. You want that life right now. You want it, you want it, you want it, you want it, you want that love in your life. You want that love in your life. You want it, you want it, you want it, you want it, you want that love in your life. You want it, you want it, you want it, you want it, you want that love back in your life. You want it, you want it, you want it, you want it, you want that love in your life. You want it, you want it, you want it. You want that love. You want that back in your life. You want that love. You want it back in your life. You want that love. You want it back in your life. You want that love. You want it back in your life. You want that love. You want it back in your life. You want that love. You want it in your life. You want that love. You want that life. You want that love back in your life. You want it. You want it. You want that. That's what you want. That love. Don't settle for anything else. That love. That love is what you want. You want to be in love. You want that romance back in your life. You want them to love you. You want them to need you. You want them in your life. But you don't want to use magic to bring them together with you. Because if they don't love you from the heart, if they don't love you from your heart chakra, they don't feel that love inside you, or the love in your sacral chakra, your stomach, if they don't feel it in their gut, they ain't gonna love you. There's nothing you can do. They don't got that love in the crown chakra. They don't got that love for you there. That's it. If they can't say it from their throat chakra, if they can't tell you how much they love you, then that's the wrong person to be with. And you got to get rid of people who don't love you. That's negative. You need to get that out of your head. You need to get them out of your life, and you need to drop it. Don't chase after them. Don't even try to send them a text message. Don't text bomb them. Don't do that. If they gaslight you or ghost you, that's a sign. Move on. It's hard to move on. Hey, we've all been there. But when you can heal, I'll heal you. You get them out of your head. Get them out of your life. You don't need them. You need to say positive. Positive. You don't need negative people in your life. Get her out. Get him out. Get your partner out of your head. Make it work. Make it happen. You don't need to be treated badly in any relationship. You need to get that out of your head. You gotta be straight with you. Okay? You gotta be straight. You gotta get them out of your head. You gotta get them out. There's no need for them to be in your life right now. You need to be happy, positive. Okay? Positive life does not mean have a bad person in your life that doesn't love you, who don't want to be there. This cause you misery. Treat you like crap. That's all negative too. You don't want to be treated like that. You want to be treated happy, positive. You know? I can say this all night, but I want you to be healed. And that's what this is. Healing love. Healing your soul. Healing your mind. Healing the whole body. The heart. The soul. The crown. Your gut. The whole thing. It all boils down to one thing. If they don't love you, they will treat you miserably. And you need to get them out of your spot. You need to get them out of your life. You got to let go. Let go of them. Let go of them. You got to heal. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I want to heal. I want to feel love again. I want to heal. I want to feel love again. I want to be wanted again. You can be loved. You can be healed. Just follow along with this video. You want to love. You want to be loved. You want happiness. And the first step is to get rid of that person. Don't put up it. And some of you will put up it for years and keep on lying to yourself, which is negative, saying that they really love you and you know they don't love you. But nobody treats somebody like that. Put downs, calling you names, belittling you, all that's negative energy. And that destroys into your different layers of your aura. It attacks you. It's like a sabotage. It's like they're the enemy, and you're trying to win the war. There shouldn't be anything like that in your life. You got to love your love of yourself. You gotta love yourself. They can't love you. Some people can't love nobody. It's not their fault. It's the way they were raised. They must have been raised in a family where nobody showed love. You know? And it happens. I do this on my coach channel, but I'm doing it here because you need to understand what's going on. I can sit here, do a lot of hocus pocus, but I'm going to tell you the truth. If they don't love you, there's nothing you can do about it. You don't want to use magic on that because it's not going to work. It's going to backfire. You might have something that really doesn't, just have to hate you, and you don't want to go down that route. These people do not love you. If they love you, they won't treat you bad. They'll treat you like a king, or if you women, like the man will treat you like a princess. You know? It's supposed to be love. You know what love is? They want to be with you. They want to hold you, caress you. Stroke 2 fingers on your face. All on your hand. Like that. Show caress. Cuddle. Snuggle. You know? Enjoy life. You can do it. I'm encouraging you to do the right thing. Don't be afraid that you might say, well, there won't be nobody else. It's hard to get anybody. Yeah, well, life is not that easy. But you can change your life. It's up to you. Because only you have the final decision. I can heal your pain. I can make you feel happy. But if the person throws tantrums and fits and carry on with you, there's nothing you can do. You have to tell them to leave. Telling them to leave is the hardest thing. You end the chapter too. Once they leave that door, give you back the keys. That's it. Sometimes they don't give you back the keys. You got to change the locks. So you don't want to get to those points of really. That's where you have to make the right decisions first, and you got to make sure there's love, there's interest, there's life. They're your friends first. Then they like you. Then the love comes in. Then you come in the relationship. Then you move in together. In a couple of years or so, you fall in love enough to say, we're engaged to get married. But you don't want somebody who don't treat you bad and try to marry them. It'd be a nightmare. It won't be happy. You got to stay positive. You got to move on with your life. You got to heal that love in your life. You got to heal yourself. You got to heal yourself with positive energy. Positive energy. You got to heal yourself with positive energy. Positive energy. Positive energy. You got to heal. You got to love. You got to love yourself, all yourself. Now listen, I'm going to tell you once, and this is it. Make a change in your life. Do the right thing. Get rid of them. If they don't love you, if they treat you bad, you don't keep bad in your house. You don't keep bad in your life. Get rid of them. Let them leave now.